Hey, good morning guys. I'm preparation for today. I'm gonna make a chicken with the black pepper sauce. First, I'm ready here with chicken breast. It's around 1.5 kilogram of chicken breast. First, I have to slice it out like this, guys. Why I'm using the plate to cut off the chicken? Because of I'm sure by using the plate is more sanitized is more, so it's more clean. We make it a tiny slice of the chicken, and then the next step we put some a pinch of salt, and we put also squeeze of lime juice. And we mix well. Make sure all the chicken slice is covered by lime juice and also the sugar. And afterward, we keep it in the refrigerator is around 15 minutes. Well guys, in the next step, I'm ready here on my plate. I have 2 pieces of red chili and around 2 or 3 jalapenos. We're gonna use it. 2 cloves of garlic, and I have here 1 onion. So afterward we are gonna chop it out and make it tiny slices. First I gonna cut out the onion, make it tiny size. A big slice is okay because of we gonna use it. So just like this one is kind of a big one. So in the next step, we squeeze the garlic with the garlic squeezer. Okay, I put it down there, and then here the garlic. So easy. And put the other one. Okay, done for the garlic. We just clean up over here and then make it nice on the plate. Afterward, we're gonna cut the chili. We cut the chili. It's like a long tiny slice over here. Well, if you guys don't like the spicy one, you can skip the chili over here, because of some people don't like really spicy. So it's some people the chili over here is just for decoration, for the garnishes whenever the dishes is come out. Afterward we gonna cut the jalapeno over here. Well, as we know that jalapeno is come from the Mexican guys over there. It's really spicy one, isn't it? But over here, jalapeno is really this kind of some jalapeno is sweet. It depends on the kinds of jalapeno they coming from. Well, it's done. I think that's enough on the jalapeno. We just make preparation in the same dish over here, and afterward we're gonna start to make cooking for this. Okay guys, for the next step, I have here ready for the electric pans. So we already turn on the electric pan, and then afterward we put some vegetable oil. It just make it around 2 tablespoons. Well, after the oil is hot, and then we put all ingredients here inside. We stir it well, just to make the onion separate piece by piece. We stir it here like 2 or 3 minutes. So the ingredient is mixed well. Where we make it cooking with the electric fans because of kind of safety for the energy, because of usually we cook with the gas. Now gas is kind of very expensive because of we got war between Russia and Ukraine, so it's better save money gas. Okay, afterward, after 2-3 minutes, we put the chicken in and we stir it well. Because chicken breast is kind of easy to be cooked, so we just cook like a chicken breast like this, just like maximally 10 minutes is enough. And here we go. I have already on the packet of black pepper sauce. We're gonna mix the chicken and all the ingredients here, and we put some black pepper sauce in it. It just, we can imagine like a 2 tablespoons or 3. Just make it sure that the taste is better for your tongue. So we stir it again. Just all make it well and combine all the sauce in it. Well, it tastes delicious. Afterward, we pour it in the water. It's just around 50 milliliter water in it, so it's not too much water. And then we just stir it out as well. To make sure we taste about the taste is already got as your tongue. Kind of sweet, yes. And here we put some salty sauce. It's just like 1 teaspoon of the salty sauce. We put some Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon. Or if you don't like kind of salty, you could just put Worcestershire sauce for 1 teaspoon. And then we cover it around 5 minutes. Okay guys, I gonna put more. I put more beef broth here. It's just 1 teaspoon of beef broth. Or if you don't like beef, you can change with the chicken broth for it. And I stir it out again. Well guys, it's almost ready, almost done for the chicken with the blackberry sauce. I cover again around 2 minutes. So in this cooking, we are not specifically we put some salt because of I just use salt in the beginning. In the beginning, whenever we mix with the lime juice. Okay, it's ready, guys. Voila, chicken with black pepper sauce ready to be served. Alright, here we go. Here we are. I just finished for the chicken and blackberry sauce, and enjoy, guys. You just follow the recipe and you got the taste very good. Thank you for watching.